Yeah, welcome to this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to our channel. Femi Falana is in the news today. You went to court to lie that the issue of defection is at the Federal High Court. Nyesom Wike is the one calling out Femi Falana. The FCT minister Nyesom Wike accuses Femi Falana, senior advocate of Nigeria, of spreading false information about the defection of 27 Rivers State lawmakers. In an interview with TVC News, Wike claims that Falana misled the public by not revealing Supreme Court that the Supreme Court had already ruled on the matter. According to Wike, Falana deliberately concealed the fact that a cross appeal was made to the Supreme Court, which subsequently made a pronouncement on the defection issue. Wike cites a recent Federal High Court ruling that confirms the Supreme Court's earlier decision. He warns that such misinformation can lead to significant problems and criticizes senior lawyers like Falana for engaging in dishonest public statements. Wike emphasizes the importance of accuracy in public discourse, particularly in legal matters. The minister believes that accurate information is crucial in preventing misunderstandings and potential crises. By highlighting the alleged misinformation, Wike aims to set the record straight and promote truthful communication. His comments underscore the need for responsible communication to prevent misinformation and promote a more informed public. Wike's criticism of Falana highlights the importance of honesty in public discourse. Well, in this news, we are seeing some Wike calling out the revered jurist, the revered lawyer, Femi Falana, as regards the information given to the public as not completed. His belief and conclusion is that Mr. Falana decided to misguide the public. He has misled the public because he did not reveal the real truth that the Supreme Court had already ruled on the matter of the defection of the 27 local government, state, River State lawmakers. And what is Mr. Wike trying to, let the public know? It's essential for us to have this clear understanding that our legal luminaries in this country, they are the one informing and misinforming, confusing and not convincing the public on different matters, especially when it comes to matters that regards the court of law. Most times, because of the argument that normally goes on in the court, they feel that the same argument should be brought into public discourse, and at the end of the day, they twist the reality, they twist the truth, as it were. And I think with what Wike said, well, we couldn't really say this is the absolute truth because Mr. Falana had not responded. We are expecting a rebuttal from him. But then let's take a cue on the face level, that please, there are people when it comes to public issues, especially those who happen to be experts in this regard, people like Femi Falana, should tell the truth the way it is. Whoever's ox is God. But if it's only their opinion they want to air, most of the time their opinion might just be their ordinary opinion and it may mislead the public in general. Whatever happens, let those who say they are learned fellow please give us a learned information. Very, very important. Mr. Wike is trying to call out this man, and we know that Femi Falana is well respected. But the statement made by Nyesom Wike, we don't know, is it true? If it is true, what does he want to gain in, mudslinging Femi Falana? Because it's very, very important. What does he stand to gain in this situation? Because Femi Falana, who happens to be a senior advocate of Nigeria, has been championing the cause of the public or the masses to make sure that people are, taken away from the oppression of the public service holders or even the people in power. And based on his antecedent, well, Femi Falana is not God. We can't say he's always perfect, but we know his antecedent, that he has been working for the progress of this country, especially fighting for human rights. But then we wouldn't also know what some of them eventually turn into when they begin to put their opinions into politics, and some even when they get involved even in politicking. We don't know, but the reality remains that Femi Falana had already built a name for himself, and he's been coming, for a while now. People know him even for his good gestures as regards public discourse and public opinion. But then, if a Wike keep will pinpoint this, well, I think Mr. Femi Falana too should, give a rebuttal and make clear the air on the matter, because so many who happen to be lovers of Femi Falana will still be skeptical concerning what his own Wike says. But as far as information is concerned, it's not far-fetched. We can easily search it out and look for the Supreme Court judgment as regards the matter, and also look at what that Federal High Court said as regards upholding the decision of the Supreme Court. Then in the long run, Mr. Femi Falana can come out and make an open public apology, if that's what we are going to call it, or just do the necessary correction if there is anything like that. But then, and he's on Wike too. Let's look at him. Is he even telling us the truth? How long has he been speaking the truth? What was his citizen? What do you even know Wike for? As far as Wike is concerned, he is always a politician, and he doesn't mind playing it rough or playing it dirty. Whatever he desires as his own ambition, he moves like a moving train and crushes anything along his own path just to make sure that he achieves his aim. He doesn't care whose ox is God. Whoever is on his way is ready to remove them in order for him to achieve his own plan and purpose, even in life, especially in politics. But then, of course, he's emphasizing the importance of accuracy in public discourse, particularly as regards legal matter. Of course, whether there is the reality of truth in what Wike is saying or not, we need to really look at it, because if the legal practitioners are not giving us accurate truth in the public or legal matters, imagine a lot of misleading, imagine a lot of misinformation, and imagine where the direction they will just pull this country to. And not only those who are in the legal practices, the media too, who also shape the opinion of people by the reason of the kind of discourse they bring to public domain, should also be careful to try as much as possible to be near perfect, giving us accurate information and what will help the country even to move forward, that will change the situation and the circumstances of the nation, and also conscientize even the leadership, such that they will do everything based on their conscience. Well, Nigeria will still be better for it if we call ourselves out like this, and eventually truth is upheld and eventually prevail. Remember to like, share, and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.